Who here loves technology? Look around the room. Right, that's pretty much everybody in this room. There's a couple people, I'm curious to hear from you as well.
How can we as individuals and communities come together and use smartphones, use iPads, use computers to better our society and to work together and try to avoid some of the unintended consequences? And we're going to go into a little bit of that today. How many here have a parent or a friend that is starting to pay with things with their phone? Right? So right now, we are somewhere in the middle. And that's why technology keeps us moving forward. Thank you for waiting, please. Small or large pocket? All right, what's that?
Oh, it's an address book.
Address book. So congratulations, you all in your brain have the most powerful computer in it. And what's amazing about the brain is it's constantly taking in information from the outside world, and when it does that, it's forming experiences. It's forming what are called neural pathways. Now, in order to really illustrate this, I think, and ground it in an activity called the synaptic circuit, and it involves a ball being thrown into the crowd. All right. Did it go faster the second time? Yes. Why did it go faster the second time? Practice. Yes. If I asked you guys, what's 5 times 5, what would you say? Did you do the calculation? No, you remembered it. It's a neural pathway that exists already in your brain.
You're not going to be able to think your way out of certain situations because your mind is already mapped to the technology. So you will have to learn to feel your way.
I would like you to raise your hand when you no longer hear the sound. When you stop and listen to a sound, take a breath, and let your circadian rhythm slow down. Your body starts to feel different. Your capacity to make a decision changes.
Does anybody ever feel anxious in relationship to your phone or technology? Yeah, look around for a second. Right? For those of you who raise your hand, thank you for being honest. You may not be able to think your way out of certain situations. You're going to have to feel your way out. And that means you're going to have a better understanding about how things make you feel. And that leads us to the second part of our story, which is that all technological advancements come with unintended consequences. It's not new just to screen technology. It's not like all of a sudden technology came around and people started being mean to each other. Right? Fair? Fair? But there is a unique way in which screen technology makes it easier to be mean to people. And I'm just curious, how many people here have a friend who's had people be mean to them through technology? Yeah. If you could just look around and see the hands up.
We sometimes peer over this edge of like, technology is amazing. And you can even see these videos where people are walking and they literally are looking at their phone and they walk into a telephone pole, right? And that's a metaphor for what we're trying to talk about here. And it is slightly depressing. And so we want to come to the edge of the depressing facts about it and look over the edge together and go on the journey together and be like, wow, there are some unintended consequences here. And rather than be the adults in the room that are like, don't use your phone so much, we want to take a step back. We're now not over the edge. And we want to have a conversation with you all on ways we can co-create a reality where we're using our phones, we're using our iPads, but we're still connecting as human beings.
Technology is just getting started, right? What we're all going to see in all of our lives is going to blow our minds, right? And so what we're doing here today is getting excited for that and preparing ourselves to be able to take on these new technologies in ways that feel really good to us, right? Because my vision for all of us is that in 10, 20 years from now, technology is something that connects us, makes us feel better about our lives, and doesn't do the opposite, which is makes us feel more disconnected and feel worse about our lives. Does that sound like a good vision for all of us?